Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can complain about your products or anything in Shein. So let's go ahead and open the Shein which is in your phone. Now click on the Me which is on the bottom right hand corner and click on Support. Tap on Support and then you can tap on any of these complaints, or you can go to customer service which is written here. You can choose from these options or chat according to your wish. I want to complain about my refund or return, so I'll tap on it. I'll go to the FAQs about payments and promos, and if you want any descriptions, click on one of them and Shein will describe what you can do and what you can't do. Let me give you another example. I'll tap on one of these FAQs and then it is shown that Shein will reply to it. So let's go ahead and click customer support or customer service and then tap on chat. If you click on where is my order, it will describe it to you, and furthermore, it will tell you what to do, what not to do, and you can submit a ticket. You can go ahead and select your question. Let's say I want about account. You can write your description, attach files, and after you click submit, your complaint will be submitted. So this is how you submit your complaint in Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.